108 students who take the AMC 8 meet in the evening to talk about problems and eat an average of 2 cookies apiece. So we can write 108 students. And they each eat 2 cookies. So we can write eat 2 cookies. So they eat a total of 216 cookies, because 108 times 2 is 216. And then the recipe makes 1 pan, makes 15 cookies. And then the items were 1.5 cups of flour and 2 eggs and 3 tablespoons of butter and 3/4 cup of sugar and then 1 package of chocolate. And then since we had 216 cookies total that needs to be made, we can divide it by the 15 cookies per pan that's made, and we get 14.4 pans. And then since it had only 4 full recipes, we can round it up to 15 pans, because you can't have 0.4 pans. And then since 1 pan needs 2 eggs, and we need 15 pans, we can multiply by 15. So 2 times 15 is 30. So for 15 pans, we need 30 eggs. And then it says Walter can buy eggs by the half dozen, so he can only buy 6 eggs at a time. So it's 30 eggs divided by 6. So he needs 5 half dozen eggs. And 5 is the answer.